Welcome to Foxtecc. If you want Siri to announce the name of the person calling you, there's a simple way to set it up. This feature can be useful if you often have your phone away from you or if you're using headphones and want to know who's calling without looking at the screen. Let's go through the steps to enable it. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and select Apple Intelligence and Siri. This is where all of Siri's settings are managed, including the call announcement feature. If you don't see the option for announce calls, make sure that Siri is enabled first. In the same settings menu, check that Siri is turned on and that you can activate it by holding the side button. If Siri isn't enabled, the announcement feature won't appear at all. Once you've confirmed that Siri is active, tap Announce Calls to open the options. You'll see 4 choices: Always, Headphones in Car, Headphones Only, and Never. If you want Siri to announce calls every time, select Always. If you only want announcements while using AirPods or in the car, you can pick Headphones and Car or just Headphones Only. Choose whichever setting works best for you. After you've made your selection, Siri will now announce the caller's name based on your chosen preference. This means that the next time you get a call, you won't have to look at your screen to know who it is. Siri will say their name out loud. It's a simple but useful feature, especially when you're driving or have your hands full. That's how you can enable caller name announcements on your iPhone. Let me know in the comments if this helped. And if you found this useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Foxtecc for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching, and see you later.